Okay. What's up, Team King? It's your girl Beth, and we back with another video. Y'all, we out here at the little park. And here is Bailey and Brooke right over here, if y'all can see.
I'm out here.
Daddy and Bailey and Brooke. Bree, you say you scared? She said well, she's scared, so she got me up here holding her big self, y'all. Oh, there goes something fun. Hmm? You want to get on the slide? Y'all want to go to the slide after this? Yeah, let's go to the slide. Okay, y'all, we're going to the slide. He's trying to work out. Hold on, Bailey. Brooke, BK, we're going to the slide.
This one.
Oh, Lord. He's trying to work out with Bailey. Come on, Brooke. Where they going?
Where you going?
To that slide over there. Let's go to that one because it ain't no
I want to go.
people over there.
Go over this one?
Okay, yeah.
No, I want to go to the swing.
We'll be back.
Be careful, you gotta hold on ready before you fall. Feet out.
Yeah, feet, Brooke. Your feet helping you out. Go ahead. Ooh, Brooke. Lord, you're going to hop out the swing.
Kick your feet up. Kick your feet up, Brookie. There you go. Make yourself go back. There you go. Push back. Push forward. Kick up. Kick your feet up. Kick your feet. Don't keep kicking like that. When you go back, put your feet back.
What? What you see? The
Go back
moon?
now. Now you're going up. Put your feet out. Now you're going back.
Scary little Belle didn't even want to ride on the swing.
Yeah, the right foot that keep going. Look. Right
I
now.
ain't gonna hold you all the time we here, scary.
Now when you sit down.
I'm going to get you, Daddy.
Daddy rocking that thing, like. Do you want to get in? What is this right here?
Oh.
Berkeley having a little fun to do.
Pull yourself up top, all the way up there. You got it?
No, Mommy.
Girl, you a crybaby. Come on, crybaby.
You want to climb up there?
Hold on. Stop. Yeah, we got crybaby Bree. You don't want to do nothing but just stick with mommy. You gotta pee. Bree, you gotta pee. You know him?
Up there.
You know?
I did.
You
He's
did.
just tweaking out, man.
You don't do enough to say it's too high.
Step on that.
Go ahead, Brooke.
Yeah, step on that.
Good job.
Good job, Brookie.
Thank y'all.
Maybe you want to go up to the top, Brookie? Up here?
Probably.
Come here.
Okay.
Try it. Come here.
That's a start.
I'm gonna break my
Wrong way, Brooke. Come this way with Daddy so you can get up there.
Come here, Daddy.
You got it. You got it, girl. Go ahead. Ooh, Brooke like Spider-Man on this thing. Go, Bailey. Ooh.
Come here. You trying to go up here?
Go to that one, Brooke.
Come here. Come here. This way, Brookie, Brookie.
Go,
Why you
Bree.
going that way, Brookie?
I don't know what this girl do.
There you go.
You be careful, Brooke. Go, Bailey. Oh, yeah. Good job. Keep going. She's trying to get her foot through that other thing.
Lay your body out over the net. Look, then you go down that way. You see that little net right there? Yeah.
Shit, let you have that, Bailey.
Yeah.
Ooh, wee.
Yeah.
Watch out for Berkeley.
Yeah.
I want to go
No.
back in
What's up, Team King? It's your girl Beth, and we back with another video today, y'all. You got Bailey back there trying to hide or something.
Daddy has a new car. I have the stuff on my shirt.
You gonna let that man tell you all this?
No, he doesn't want to talk about that.
I don't know.
Something about a joke or something.
Some man just
That's funny.
some man just stopped me carrying traffic and telling him something. What he said about a joke?
Yeah, he says, I don't know, I think he said something back. I don't know. He said it's a joke. I don't know him, so what did you talk about it's a joke?
I don't know, man. I told BK that's the type of stuff we need to be recording, not always be putting his camera down instead of just vlogging on. Baby does not know him. Where she know, baby? Baby, where you know him from?
I don't know.
Oh,
Good.
I didn't think Bailey knew him.
Not.
So y'all,
Good.
we headed to Popeyes right now. between the both of them, they got $12. So we gonna see what they can buy. What you getting, bro? What your $4?
You guys say.
No, we not.
No, I have.
Why you about to keep looking at you?
No, you leave me alone.
I don't know.
You were doing this.
That's the second person that done said something to BK.
I'm gonna pull over when I get off here to pop up.
No.
They trying to tell you something. You don't think we got something hanging out the back, do you? That's the second person that done stop BK. Trying to talk to him. I told him I felt like the lady was blowing at him, trying to tell him something. But he told me she wouldn't be blowing.
Two people blow.
Brayden, brush your teeth today.
She didn't what?
You think a tail light is out or something?
I don't know. I guess we finna see because you finna pull right in here. I pray there ain't nothing wrong with this car already.
It is.
Yeah, they blowing you again.
Somebody else?
Yeah. They trying to get the heck on away from these folks. Oh, let's see what it is.
Why did Daddy is trying to get the heck away from me?
I don't know. I hope nothing wrong with my car as soon as he get him a brand new car.
I think people.
Y'all, this the prank on pulled on BK. It's so many people just blowing at him and he didn't know why. They was trying to tell him, but I was behind his head doing like this, saying, nah, don't tell me. So yeah, y'all, that's what we doing. We in the Popeyes line right now. We finna feed these kids and get back in. Bayla, I thought you knew about the prank. I told you I was pranking him.
I didn't know.
Well, come on, get on back in.
I'm gonna start
Y'all,
driving.
these kids done lost their little mind. They keep thinking that they could just drive my car because BK let Brooke play drive in his lap, and all of a sudden they think this is the practice car to drive. He better let him drive his car.
This car.
See how friendly he is with y'all. You think he gonna let you drive his car?
Yep.
Nah, I doubt it.
I'm gonna scratch his car to see his reaction. Trick you. I'm gonna get a sticker. I'm not gonna scratch your car.
Y'all get a whole secret. They ain't
So
even
you
no
gonna
secret.
tell me your prank?
She always do.
Okay.
Yeah. So we can't tell her how you felt about the little prank I did. Like, it was a little prank because everybody kept trying to tell him.
See, people look out for me, man. You know, because I look out for people.
Let me see how much that.
Yeah, can't see how much it is. But
Brooke
people,
Shaw ain't get no money.
One.
people look out for me. But, hey, you know, at first one of the ladies
Daddy has
honked the horn.
$3.
Yeah, that's good, baby. Let me hold that. But lady honked the horn. I was like, she probably wasn't honking at me. And then I think somebody else honked the horn. I'm like, oh no. And I guess when you don't really hear a lot, like you think that something else is going
Daddy,
on.
what are those?
They're honking at
thingies?
somebody else in the road. And then when the guy tried to tell me, I was like, what is he talking about? Because he was like, I think you got something. And then he was like,
He stopped because of me.
oh, I think it was a joke. And I'm like, bro, I don't know. You thought it was a joke. And then Spanish guy and the Spanish lady was trying to tell me that there was I guess something on the back. So I'm thinking at this point, a light broken or something. Like for some reason, something happened, a light broke. So I'm like, I need to pull over as soon as I can. So I'm pull over as soon as I get to Popeyes and pull over and check out what it is. And I get out, go to the back, and it says, hump, if you think I'm a bad driver.
So they really think he's a bad driver then.
Bro, 2 people, bro.
Nah, it was more than about 2 people and shit.
Daddy,
2 people.
I know what this says. 3, Daddy. It was 3.
3, okay.
So he a legit bad driver.
Daddy,
I'm not.
why does it
That's
say?
3 out of 300 people that was on the road.
Why does it
300
say
people, you
this?
ain't pass no 300 people.
I got 2 more.
What does it say?
Oh, he must be counting other people on the other side. All right, y'all, we gotta order our food.
Walk